Hello and welcome to FountainFX on Wednesday the 9th of July 2014, looking at the Euro-US dollar. In terms of the trade setup that we had a very strong sell-off last Thursday because of the positive US dollar news. We saw a collapse in the Euro-US dollar by 60 points, and that was after there was a pullback from this previous uptrend. If you look at the momentum all the way down from the supply at the 135.20, push price all the way up to the 136.90 up here, and then we had a sell-off towards at the beginning of that week, waiting for non-farm payrolls, and there was obviously an anticipation for positive US dollar news, and that direction continued. It then fell again on the Friday. But then we started to see some basing. This previous area of support here from the end of June was honoured again as price came down to it and turned and reversed. So that was the reversal point that we saw, and we then saw the break of this downtrend line for this short-term downtrend. So in terms of using a counter trend line, this has now given us a trigger to buy, a buy trigger to get in and go long, and price has pushed up from the 136. It pushed all the way up to the 136.30. It's pulled back down almost to the 136 again, got down to the 136.03, and has turned and rallied up to the 136.40. So we are getting higher lows and higher highs as price continues to push up in an uptrend. So based on what it's currently doing, we are going to stick with the buy, and what we could do, obviously a buy in here at the 136, we could move our stop, we could manage our stop and bring our stop up to entry, so we're not going to lose anything should price break below this particular trend line and decide to reverse before it's had chance to get back up and close this downward momentum, this origin of the news, which is at the 136.50, 136.55 area. So our target is 136.50, 55. Our buy is at 136, our stop is at 135.73, and so that's a 27-point risk that we've got here, and but we're looking to make a 55 point gain, so roughly 2 to 1, and that's really it from FountainFX. That's the trade setup, that's how it works. It's taking a bit of time. This is a 4-hour chart. We're not looking at 5 minutes, unfortunately, but we are 20 points up on the trade at the moment. It's nice to see this long wick coming in on this bearish candlestick, so it's now showing that price came back down and has turned because we're now getting buying pressure coming in. So hopefully we will see this close, but an easy way to remove your risk is to basically move your stop to entry and allow the market to continue to move in this upward direction. That's really it then from FountainFX. Happy trading, and we will check on this trade tomorrow, and if you're lucky I might have a look at some other currency pairs as well. So thank you very much. Bye bye.